In today's video, I'll be giving you the brief introduction about the Maharashtra Counselling, what is the eligibility criteria, what is the colleges that you can target, and then again, like what are the steps and how you should approach the counselling. First and foremost, in any counselling, we talk about the eligibility criteria, whether you are eligible to appear in the Maharashtra Counselling or not. So for NEET MDS, the first important thing is that you should appear for the exam and qualify. The qualifying percentile is very important. If you qualify in the result in the first round itself, then it makes you eligible to target the counselling from the beginning only. And in case you have a low percentile, of course you can appear for the counselling once the cutoff gets revised. So now that you are qualified, what are the criteria that make you eligible and not eligible? So if you're somebody who's from Maharashtra and has done his or her BDS from Maharashtra, then you are eligible to appear for the Maharashtra Counselling. And if you are somebody who is from Maharashtra but has done her or his BDS from outside Maharashtra, then you are not eligible to take up a seat in Maharashtra for the MDS. If you are not a domicile of Maharashtra but have done your BDS from Maharashtra, then you are also eligible to appear for the Maharashtra Counselling. So these are the three topmost criteria. For Maharashtra Counselling, you should be a domicile of Maharashtra and have done your BDS from Maharashtra. And if you are not a domicile, then you must have at least done your BDS from Maharashtra. Talking about that, Maharashtra is a closed state. Students from outside who want to take participation in the institutes in Maharashtra are not eligible for any seats, be it the state seats or the institutional quota seats. You are only eligible for the NRI category seats. After this, what are the different steps of the counselling? Now, in any counselling, like the other states, the steps are similar. First and foremost, you have to go to the website of Maharashtra, which is mahacet.org. Once you come to the website, you can see the latest timeline and the notifications that are being published for the counselling.